Good morning, it's January 3rd, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. On January 1st, 2024, the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, launched XpoSat, India's first space observatory. The satellite aims to study the polarization of cosmic X-rays to unlock the secrets of black holes and neutron stars. XpoSat is equipped with two instruments, the Indian X-ray Polarimeter, POLIX, and X-ray Spectroscopy and Timing, XSPECT, both developed in Bengaluru. The PSLV-C-58 rocket placed XpoSat into a 650-kilometer circular orbit with only a 3-kilometer deviation. ISRO's successful launch marks a significant milestone in India's space exploration endeavors, enhancing its prowess in astronomical research. NASA's Juno spacecraft recently completed a close flyby of Jupiter's moon Io, capturing significant data and images. Io is known for its extreme geological activity with over 400 active volcanoes. The data from this recent flyby will be compared with previous ones to study variations in Io's volcanic activity. This is the closest view of Io in over 2 decades, made possible by Juno's endurance of extreme radiation. The data gathered will contribute to the understanding of Io's geological processes and provide insights for the study of Jupiter's moon, Europa. Juno is set to conduct another close flyby of Io in February 2024 before concluding its mission in September 2025. A study led by Leonard O. Ohenhen indicates rapid land subsidence on the U.S. East Coast. Cities like Norfolk, Virginia Beach, Baltimore, and parts of New York City are significantly at risk. Around 2.1 million people and 867,000 properties are already affected. The subsidence is due to groundwater extraction and sediment compaction. Virginia Tech and U.S. Geological Survey's research confirms these findings. They use satellite data to create high-resolution maps, pinpointing areas at risk. This data is crucial for risk mitigation and protecting the East Coast. Matabele ants have a unique healthcare system to recognize and treat infected wounds. They detect changes in the hydrocarbon profile of an ant's cuticle to distinguish between non-infected and infected wounds. Ants use antibiotics from their metapleural gland to treat infections, reducing the mortality rate by 90%. The primary pathogen in ant wounds, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, is a leading cause of human infection. Researchers plan to explore wound care behaviors in other ant species and social animals to potentially discover new antibiotics for humans. The study has been featured in the Nature documentary Life on Our Planet. A research study by Dr. Stuart Jennings from the University of Leeds suggests Sub-Saharan African farmers need to diversify their crops for resilience and nutrition. The study underscores the need to raise food production to cater to the growing population and adapt to climate change. The population in sub-Saharan Africa is projected to grow by 740 million people by 2050. The research proposes a transformative approach in agriculture that prioritizes nutrition, including soybean production, and increased consumption of animal-based products. The study also highlights the need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and prevent unsustainable production levels. Integration of food, agriculture, and nutrition policies is critical to address the food system challenges in sub-Saharan Africa. This has been your daily brief in science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates at www.brief.news. And for more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit www.brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.